So you have to export the both collection. Exporting, yes. Exporting, give the name. You have to export the two things, your collection and your environment. Yep, you can call the sign in. Yep, you come sign in. Okay, good. And then and then you have to also store your environment as well. Click it, export it, and environment is ready to go. So now we are going to the GitHub, git.ts4a.us. And then we are going to create a repository. You can create a new project. A project is different than the repository. Yep. SQE, create a new project, add the blank project, and then just give a name, the ecom sign-in automation. Someone asked, what do you do? The Aisha, that's the one you are seeing now. And then let's do the get it done, create project. Your project is done. And then you will be actually, now this part you will be doing from your computer. This part we will be doing from your computer, and it tells us what to do. So we'll be going to our command prompt, CMD. Let me stop this. 1 second.